How to add games on Kodi. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add games on Kodi. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you want to add games on Kodi application, you can head over to the main menu of the Kodi. And once you are here, you can directly head over to the game section right below the video. And you'll be finding this on the screen. So you can enter an add-on browser. You could go ahead and click on that feature. After that, you'll be finding this option on the screen. So click on this plus add games. And from there, you need to add a game source. So you can enter the paths or the browse for the media location wherever it is located. From your file location, you can go ahead and navigate through your storage. And once you've entered the name for that media source and enter the paths or browsing for the media locations, once that is done, you can go ahead and click on add and you'll be finding it has been added on your Kodi right above the add game section. So that is how you add games on Kodi following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.